YouTube, what's going on? All right, so today we are going to make a rubber bushing for a vehicle that went down. Now, I forgot to make an actual video to go with this to show it in real time, so I used the photos I took. So this is what we're making, and as you can see here, we designed it in Solidworks already. All right, so let's go to it. Fire up Solidworks, and you want to click the front plane, click the line option, and right here is the origin. You're going to want to click on that. And from there, you are going to go up. All right, you're going to click escape, click smart dimension, and the dimension will be, after you measure it out with your dial calipers, 0.2350, and green check mark. Go ahead and click the line option again, click right here, and you are going to go across, and then smart dimension, and you are going to give it 0.0620, green check mark. Go ahead, click the line option again, click here, go up, escape, smart dimension, and you're going to give it a figure of 0.1035, green check mark. Go ahead and click the line option again, and you're going to click here, and we are going to go just across slightly and click smart dimension, and we're going to type in 0.045. Press enter and green check mark. Go ahead and click the line option, and you are going to click here. You are going to go up, escape, smart dimension, and we're going to go across, and we're going to give it 0.053, green check mark. Go ahead, click the line option, click here, and you are going to go at an angle. Now this is for the cone part, and you see how it gives you that guideline right there. That is what you want. So once you have made your angle the way you wanted it, which as you can see here, I have a guideline, you're going to click, press escape, grab the smart dimension, and do that green check mark. Go back. Oop. There we go. And we are going to give this, I measured out, 0.1780, green check mark. All right, go ahead and click the line option and click from here. This is now the top hat. You will just go directly straight up. Smart dimension, 0.134, green check mark. Go ahead and click the line option again. Click here, and you're going to go right and escape, smart dimension, click here, and we are going to give it 0.1425 and green check mark. Click the line option again. We're going to go straight down. See where that guideline is? Literally straight down and across, and from here everything should be shaded. Go ahead and click the green check mark, click features, revolve, boss and base, and you're going to click this line and green check mark, and here you have it, your piece. Now I do need to do a little bit of adjusting, only because the top hat needs to be slightly thinner to match the piece that you are designing. So with that being said, you'll right click, get back into sketch, and looking at your design, there's just a few small tweaks that you would need to make, and as you can see, I am going to fine tune it right here. All right, so right click, go back in your sketch, make sure you save your work. I will be doing that here in a few, but always save your work at the beginning. All right, so I went back into sketch, and I'm going to refine some of this. I'm looking at it, it just needs to be a little bit more narrow. So as you can see here, click the line option, clicked this point, and what I'm gonna do is go in slightly more to get more of a cone-like finish. And once you have gone in at your desired angle, you can go ahead and click away. Make sure you click trim entities. You're gonna have to want to cut these away. Reason being is that if you don't and you try to close it, you're gonna have sketch errors. Go ahead and click line option again, and you're just going to connect everything. And from there, click escape, click the sketch dimension, and you're going to want to get the dimensions for everything. And this dimension is good. This dimension is good as well. And the dimension for the top hat will be good as well. And green check mark, blue check mark, and now here it is, your piece. So from here, you know, after using your dollar calipers and actually looking at your work, you should have something similar to what you plan on designing to bring to real life. So I'm going to click the fillet option, and I noticed that on the piece it actually needs it. So I eventually took out the bottom. I ended up changing the fillet size from 0.1 to 0.01. I am now going to click fillet again and fillet the bottom of the cone. So now I want to bring some life to my actual design. I'm going to click appearance and click again, and I'm going to go to plastic metal and painted. We're going to go with the black spray paint. You hover over it. Make sure when you hover over again, it has the option for appearance. You click it again, and here you have it, your rubber bushing that you designed. And as I'll say again, make sure you save your work. You can either go to the floppy disk or you go to file, click save as, and I named it rubber bushing. A little spell errors. And make sure you put it in the files location where you can easily find it. I put mine in my Solidworks training folder. And also, if you can see here, I am wanting to see what the measurement of my piece is. So I'm going to go in tools, and under evaluate, you go under measure. I'm going to click the top to the bottom, and it should measure exactly out to what size that bushing is. And here it is, if you can see it. And the size on it is 0.7035. If you don't have that, you will have to go back and do some smart dimensioning or remeasuring with your dollar calipers. As you can see here on SolidWorks, it's 0.7035, and I have taken my dollar calipers and measured out before and after, and it comes out to 0.7035. Well, this is going to conclude my video on how to draw a rubber bushing. I printed this out using TPU. You can also use TPE, make it a little bit more rubbery, but I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. All right, y'all.